Hey everyone, welcome to the Toyota Fortuner 2.8 LTD 4X480 Tune-Up and Preventive Maintenance Training Program. In this module, we will demonstrate the proper inspection and servicing procedures designed to maintain vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, reliability, and safety. Before beginning any maintenance activity, always observe workshop safety procedures, wear the required personal protective equipment, and verify that the vehicle is securely positioned in the service bay. Confirm the vehicle details, mileage, and customer concerns. Perform a complete walk-around inspection. Check the exterior condition, tire wear pattern, lighting system operation, and windshield condition. Record any visible damage and verify warning indicators on the instrument cluster before beginning maintenance. Open the hood and perform a visual inspection of the engine compartment. Inspect for oil leaks, coolant leaks, loose wiring harnesses, damaged hoses, and abnormal component wear. Check engine oil level, coolant reservoir level, brake fluid level, power steering fluid condition where applicable, and windshield washer fluid. Remove the air cleaner housing cover. Inspect the air filter element for dust accumulation, contamination, or damage. Replace the air filter if it exceeds service limits or is heavily contaminated. Ensure the air cleaner housing is properly sealed before reassembly. Inspect battery terminals for corrosion and proper tightness. Measure battery voltage and conduct a battery health test using approved diagnostic equipment. Clean battery terminals if necessary and apply protective thermal coating. Raise the vehicle using an approved lift. Remove the engine undercover as required. Drain the engine oil completely and replace the oil filter using Toyota approved replacement parts. Install the drain plug using the specified torque value. Refill the engine with the correct grade and quantity of engine oil according to Toyota service specifications. Start the engine and inspect for leaks. Inspect the fuel filter assembly. Replace the fuel filter according to the maintenance schedule or when contamination is present. Prime the fuel system according to manufacturing procedures and verify proper engine operation. Inspect radiator hoses, clamps, coolant reservoir, and radiator condition. Check coolant concentration and level. Look for signs of leakage, deterioration, or contamination. Replace coolant according to the prescribed maintenance schedule. Remove all wheels and inspect brake pads, brake discs, calipers, and brake hoses. Measure brake pad thickness and rotor condition. Inspect brake fluid level and condition. Recommend replacement of components that are below service specifications. Inspect steering components, suspension arms, bushings, shock absorbers, and stabilizer links. Check for excessive play, leakage, cracks, or abnormal wear. Verify steering operation and component integrity. Measure tire tread depth and inspect for uneven wear patterns. Check tire pressure and adjust according to specification. Inspect wheels for damage and perform tire rotation if required. Inspect the underbody for fluid leaks, loose fasteners, damaged covers, and drivetrain component condition. Check propeller shafts, differential housing, transfer case, and exhaust system integrity. Connect the Toyota Diagnostic Scan tool. Check for diagnostic trouble codes in all vehicle systems. Record active and history codes and perform corrective actions as required. Start the engine and verify smooth idle operation. Confirm there are no warning indicators present. Perform a final fluid level check and ensure all service items have been completed. Road test vehicle if required by workshop procedures. This completes the Toyota Fortuner 2.8 LTD 4X480 tune-up procedure. Following the standardized Toyota maintenance practices helps ensure vehicle reliability, optimum performance, and customer satisfaction. Always refer to the latest Toyota repair manual and service bulletin for vehicle specifications and updates. Thank you for completing this module.